Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Yeah, today we're gonna do a remote start, cold start. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Let's start off. This shit's gonna be really loud. So let's get into it. Off. Well, let's move over to the vet. I haven't started this up in a while. Look at all this ice, man. It's just frozen. Open this. Peel this back a little bit where it can breathe. Still looking clean. Yeah, it's icy out here, so hell no, I ain't bringing out the vet. I'm gonna start it up for y'all one time though. Pull this up. Peel this back. You know what I'm saying? Where you can breathe. So let's start it up. Let's start the vet up. There we go. It's gonna be loud. Probably not as loud as the Camaro. All covered up, man. I don't feel like unwrapping it. Got all this damn ice on it. But I don't think it's as loud as this is the factory sound. This one we modified it a little bit. I forgot what we did to it. I think we deleted the mufflers on this Camaro. That sounds good. This one got the factory sound. Oh yeah. Get that off. Yeah, I just want y'all to hear these two cars sound loud. Now this motherfucking Cobalt. I don't like how this Cobalt sound at all the cars. Let me go ahead and start this up, Monte Carlo up for y'all, just for y'all can hear the difference. It's cold start. I know I already made a video of it, but I'm gonna do it again. It can be lined up with all the other ones, just in case y'all guys can see it. This damn thing is tricky. There you go. Cars got different sounds. LS4 V8 5.3. We got the 6.2 over here, LT4. We got another 6.2 LT1. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get to this. I don't like this sound, but we're gonna get to it. But it's sounding right. With this remote, I need to get a new remote. But yeah, we gotta go listen to this damn Cobalt, man. This shit's fucking loud as fuck. It's loud as fuck. Oh yeah, I got me a door handle. I mean a door panel and handle with door panel. Got me that. Everything looking right, man. Before I start up, Man, I got the door panel. All I need is the side skirts for the other side, and I'm in the game, Jack. See, that's all I need right there. I need a black one. I already put the fender, already swapped out the fender, so man, I'm in the game, man. I'm in the game. Like I said, everything's for sale though. I need my money. Alright, let's start this bitch up. That's good. Find the right key. It's this one. Sound too loud for a 4-cylinder. Man, I think it just sounds too loud, man. I don't know. I need to make it quiet. I don't know how though. I only know how to make cars louder. I don't know how to make it quieter, except for go get me a quiet ass Cobalt and put the muffler on there. But it's gonna restrict the horsepower that I do got on this thing. The ice coming out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna drive this one today. I haven't been driving this car. This car is a little bit more clean than this shit. Oh man. Oh man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and drive this one today. I think I'm gonna make some more videos on this car. I think that's, yeah. I think that's what I'm about to do. Get some videos in on this one. So y'all look out for the other Cobalt videos and Corvette videos and the Camaro SS videos and the Monte Carlo SS videos. It's SS gang. I got one Z06 and all these other cars over here is SS's, man. We got enough of SS's. SS Camaro, SS Cobalt, SS Monte Carlo, and got 2 other SS Monte Carlos over there. So it's SS gang on mine, Chevy gang, got the Z06. And man, just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!